Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to block websites on Chrome Android phone. To block website on Chrome using an Android phone, start by opening the Google Play Store and searching for the app Rethink by Cell Zero. Install the app and open it, then skip any introductory prompt and tap Configure. Next, navigate to Firewall, select IP and port rules, then go to Domain Rules, tap the plus icon and enter the domain you wish to block. Let's use Reddit as an example. Once added, return to the home screen of the app, tap Start, and Rethink will begin blocking the site across Chrome on your device. You can repeat this process to block multiple websites, adjust rules anytime, and even temporarily disable the firewall if needed. This method allows you to restrict access to specific websites quickly and effectively while maintaining full control over your browsing environment. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.